Hey, what's going on, smart people on YouTube? How's your day going? How's your trades today? Well, you know how I do. Every morning, do a little stock talk and see my observation of the market. Show you what trade I did today. Let's take a quick look at DRRX. Had a little move today. Went from 80 cents at the open today all the way up to 91 cents. And what I like to look for, I didn't actually do a trade on this, but what I like to look for is the third green candle. Third green candle is pretty strong. If I see a third green candle, that means the momentum's going to keep going up, most likely, from a lot of screenshots that I've been looking at. If you take a look at another stock, what was it? I think it was TRNRX had a fail. It's the third red candle there, and you can see the momentum went downwards. But let's take a look at BIOC. Actually did a little trade on this. So I was watching BIOC because it had a little bit of volume in the pre-market. BIOC moves pretty funny. Even though it's a penny stock, it doesn't like to explode. It has a higher float than other stocks. But I got in here at the 108. I saw the green was coming in. I was trying to jump in on a third green candle, but it didn't happen. It happened on the fourth green candle. Got in at 108 to test it out. Ended up shooting up. Got out pretty early at 111 on this red candle here. Did a little panic selling there, but it was a max out on the RSI, so can't blame me. Only 3-cent move there. It's alright, it's alright. I wish I would have caught DRRX though, because I love this third green candle, even though the best buy would have been in this first candle. The opening of the market, the first 2 minutes, is very volatile. It can go either way. So even though this is a stronger candle, it could have dumped out and went the other way. But seeing here, I got 400,000 shares right at the open, it would have been a little bit of a safer bet to jump in on the second green candle. But if you would have got in at the third green candle at 86 cents, set a stop for about 4%, 5%. You can see it never hits your stop, and you can ride it on up to 91 cents. Not as big a move as I usually used to seeing with the third green candle strategy that I like to use, but green is green, and you could still make a 6 to 5 cents move on it. So just looking at those, GISI had a nice move, explosion today. I mean, this was a little bit difficult to tell, but that kind of is like the third green candle move. Had a indecision candle, only a couple hundred shares, and then bam, 38,000 shares come flooding in. You can jump in to test it out. Don't too much worry about the TIs in the opening of the market, because the TIs doesn't have enough information to react correctly to how the stock is moving. So if you're going to be playing in the morning, it's all about momentum plays and catching dips. You can see here on BAS, fourth green candle here, but it had a nice dip here on the RSI at the open morning. Okay, got in on the dip and test it out, set your stop, and ride it on up. But I didn't get an alert on BAS in the on my scanners in the morning, so missed out on that one. And there wasn't too much going on today. FCL made a good move. I saw today, had a third green candle here. This was the example I was thinking of. On the third green candle move, had red, and then bam. I'm not worried about the first 2 minutes at all. Just worried about if it has a third green candle. Get in on the green candle like your life depends on it, and minimize your risk. Make sure you set a stop, and look for the RSI to tell you when it's a max out. Keep my 7-day RSI at the bottom here, my stochastic, and I use the 7-day to really tell me when it's a good sell, and I use the 14-day to tell me when it's a really good buy. So it moved up here. It would have been a nice 5 cents move here out on a 30-cent stock. I mean, that would have been beautiful, but you know, there's a lot of opportunity. You don't try to chase it, even though you see this third green candle and you're on the fifth green candle. Don't try to chase the stock just because you've seen that it had a good move. Just wait, be patient, and wait for another opportunity. So that's it. Didn't really stick around too much for all this noise going on. There's not really much going on. Let's check a look at SPY real quick. And not much going on. China criticizes the United States. Bam, bam, bam. Whole bunch of politics controlling the stock market today. Or controlling the stock market, you know, for the past freaking 10 to 20 years. The politics is just controlling the stock market. Gold has been on the rise. It's bouncing around right now, but I was looking at this strong green candle on gold, and it's just looking beautiful. But you know, we leverage gold for times of trouble. So we're at all-time highs on the stock market. Gold is pushing for the year, the all-time highs for the year. Let's check out the 3-year. Sorry. Okay, it's not the all-time highs for the 3-year for the past 3 years. So we still got a ways to go. Still got a ways to go. We're gonna catch up to that. Alright, you guys, just putting a little quick video together, show you what type of trades I was looking at. Did trade on BIOC, only made 3 cents off of that, 108 to 111, and that was it. So hopefully tomorrow has more volume. Hopefully we get a nice rocket tomorrow, like GISI did again today. Did a nice rocket, 166 to 235. Missed out on that, but it's okay. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and stay safe out there. Subscribe to the channel if you want to get more stock videos like this. Alright.